So now let's download this free software if you have not. Well, it is very simple. Just go to Google and type in Shot and you should be able to see this. Click on download. Choose whichever that best suits your computer or your laptop. So once you downloaded, all you need to do now is just to import all the audio and videos that you just downloaded. Well, it is really a simple step. Now, all you need to do is just drag the audio and the video down to this bar over here. Just let me make it a little bit bigger. So, you can add more video to fill up the whole audio. But for now, I will just cut it short. I will just leave it as it is over here. Once you are done, all you need to do is just export your video and name your video. Alright, so everything is done now. Let's watch it now.
You are always in the right place at the right time. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment. You receive everything wonderful that you desire. You love and accept yourself for who you are.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So you are pretty much done. The next thing that we are going to do is we have to upload it to our YouTube channel. If you have not set up your YouTube account, it is very easy. You can get it for free as long as you have a Google account. All you need to do is just register a free YouTube account. Just click on register and key in your Gmail address. And I have also a complete free course on my Udemy to help you on setting up your YouTube channel. So just check it out. Once you are in, just click on upload here. Name your video title. So I will just name it as 20 minutes high motivational video. And also on the description, I will write the same as well. If you need more ideas on what sort of videos or what sort of title and also description to write on, you can refer to others' video as well. Scroll down, as you can see over here, you get to choose your thumbnail. Create your own playlist. Now, the playlist is very important as it is the categories of your channel. So you can put all your motivational video into this same playlist so people will be much more easy to look for it. Note this is not a video for kids. Now, more options. Over here, it is very important as the right tags will be able to boost your video on a higher ranking on YouTube. As you can see over here, you will get to see some suggestion tags. And this feature is actually from TubeBuddy that I asked you to install before you start this course. So if you want to have more tags, you can purchase the full versions. The tags are very important. The more tags you have, the higher you get to rank on YouTube. Just click on next. As this will be your first video, so you won't have end screen and cut to add on. Click on next, select public and publish. So your first video is on the way. So this is the whole process of how you can start earning money on YouTube without doing any recording by looking for the 100% copyright free videos, audios, photos, and combine it together to make it as a new video and upload it to YouTube.